yours here right now. The kind of night we dream about. Oh, 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 oh. It's beautiful. Yeah, time flies when you get it right. So hold on tight to me.
Dolly, I love you. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dolly. Happy birthday. Love you, Dolly, with all my heart. Happy birthday. Stay beautiful and proud.
Happy birthday, Dolly.
Wishing you all the best. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy 50th. Happy birthday, Dolly.
Dolly, I gotta tell you something. You're all about family. You brought all of us together here tonight. I'm gonna make a nice toast to you later on.
I love you, Dolly. Happy birthday. You know it's on your son.
That's right. Happy birthday.
The whole family.
That's right. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Dolly. Happy birthday.
We love you so much. You look beautiful tonight, and we hope you have the time of your life.
Love like we never grew up. Live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
Dolly is one of the hottest 50-year-old women that I've ever saw in my life.
You know, you are Queen's Lamb, and he is your king. And I always tell you how much I love your love.
You are the most amazing person I've ever met in my life.
Without you, Richard could have gone either way.
I want to wish Dolly another 50 years.
You love everybody all the time. That's what really is special about you.
And my daughter tonight sat at the table. She said, Mom, how can anyone be so happy all the
Hold on
time?
tight to me.